Well, Yamaha Wolverine update video. It's not totally fucked. I'm surprised. I thought it would be a lot worse. But the only thing is the lower A-arm that was messed up right there. I thought all that was going to be broken, and I thought all this shaft stuff here was going to be bent. But surprisingly not. That's on upside down. That's great. Okay, well, here's a new part over here. Yamaha OEM. It's a new A-arm. Yeah. Nothing was bent on this side. So, that was good. That's not bent, it's just, that's how it's supposed to be. Is it bent? Is that no. Is that bent? It is bent. Oh, damn. That's great. Oh, Jesus. Oh, that's missing too right there. And then, also got the new rim that was bent pretty bad on that. Factory scratches on it already. It's great stuff. There's the tire. Pretty solid. It feels smooth. I mean, it feels pretty good. Yeah, well, it's the only part. I'm actually gonna. Oh crap! I'm actually gonna check if it's supposed to look like that or not. Oh yeah, there's a little bend in it. Okay. That makes me feel a little happier. Okay, cool. It's not broken. Oh yeah. I think it's gonna be fine. I think it was just the bent lower A-arm. That's about it. It does not want to bend back. I mean, the only issue I see, but I think it'll be fixed once we put on the new A-arm, because it looks like this is bent down a little bit. That's the only thing I can see right now. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. Tell me if that's supposed to be like that right there. Is that pad supposed to be down? Or is that, I think it's supposed to be off that pad. That doesn't look right. It looks too tight to me. It doesn't look right. I don't know if this is me. I think this thing is too tight on there. It needs to be loose a little bit. I'm not sure though. Yeah, it starts good. I mean, thank God nothing happened with that. Oh God.